أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي زدني علما. Today I am making video for you those who want to teach the Holy Quran all over the world in English or Urdu. So how you will start class, and I will tell you that the different techniques, the way of teaching methodology. This is Afsa Nazneen from Canada. Now I am going to dial on this Skype ID. This is the Afsa Nazneen, and click on this ID. Okay, you can see here, this is the Afsa Nazneen, ST for student Canada. Okay, this is the active now, and just click on this icon for taking class. No call is going on. Assalamu alaikum, how are you, Afsa Nazneen?
वालेकुम अस्सलाम, कैसे हैं आप?
Yes, Alhamdulillah, I'm good. And what about you?
मैं अच्छा है.
Okay, mashallah. My students, my dear respected teachers and subscribers, may I introduce my lovely daughter, my lovely student, brilliant student, Afsa Nazneen from Canada. Mashallah, she is very intelligent girl, and she is a topper in her class, mashallah, in school, mashallah, from Canada. So Afsa Nazneen, would you like to tell me which grade do you study in your school?
I study in grade 3.
Okay, nice, mashallah, glad to know. Afsa Nazneen, are you ready to read a dua? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
please start with the tawus, a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, and then tasmiyah, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Okay, do you understand?
Understand.
Okay,
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim.
okay, after tawus and tasmiyah, please read dua. Rabbi shrah li sadri.
اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي زدني علما.
Mashallah, mashallah. After complete a dua, okay, Surah Taha, 25th to 28 verses of the Holy Quran and dua, mashallah. So we will learn the verse of the Holy Quran. Okay, Afsa Nazneen, can you see this page?
Yes, I can see the
Okay.
page.
Okay, beta, this is ya, zabar, ya. It is the beginning shape of a ya. Okay, when we put a zabar at the top, then its sound would be remain same, ya. Another letter is a kaf zabar, alif, ka. This is the alif connected with kaf. So this is the alif madda here. You will stretch a little bit, okay, because there is a zabar before alif, and this alif become madda letters. And I told you in previous letters they were 3 madda letters: alif madda, waw madda, and ya madda. Is it clear?
Clear.
Okay, good. So how will you read? Iyaka, you will stretch a little bit. Iyaka, iyaka, and then dal, pesh, do. This is the dal. When we put pesh on dal, then dal sound become do, do, do. And this dal pesh do directly connect with the lam sakina, because the lam has jazm sign. Okay, jazm sign mean connecting sign. link sign and joining sign. So the previous letter dal pesh du will connect with the lam. Yakadul. Repeat after me. Yakadul.
Yakadul.
Yes. Okay beta, Afsa, can you tell me why won't you read this alif? Because
there's nothing under alif, so and there's no moments, so it's an empty letter.
Yes, because it's an empty letter. Okay, Hamzatul Wasl. Okay, this is the empty letter and we will skip it and we don't read. So this dal pesh du will connect with the lam. Dul. Dul. Another letter is ba.
Dul.
It is the middle shape of a ba with the zabar. Okay, ba zabar ba. And ba zabar ba connect with the ra. Bar. Bar.
Bar.
Yes. Qaf pesh qu. It is a heavy letter. Qu. Yakadul barqu. Repeat after me.
Yakadul barqu.
Yes. Yakadul barqu.
Yakadul barqu.
Okay, good. Okay, beta, Afsa, this is the ya zabar ya and the previous letter ya zabar ya. The both are the same. The both are the same. Yes, ya zabar ya and here is also ya zabar ya. Will connect with the kha. Will connect with kha. Ya zabar kha yah. Yah. Ta zabar ta. It is a heavy letter. Fa pesh fu. Yah ta fu. Yah tafu. Repeat after me.
Yah tafu.
Yes. This is the Hamza Zabar A. Hamza Zabar A. And connect with the Ba. Sakina. This is the Qalqala letter because they were 5 Qalqala letters. Okay. Qutubu Jaddin. Qutubu Jaddin. So the Ba is one of them and we will read with the echo sound. Aba. Aba. This is the heavy letter. Sqad. Sqad. Zabar. Alif. Sqa. Aba. Sqa. Repeat after me. Aba. Sqa.
Aba sqa.
And this is the Ra. Heavy letter because due to Zabar, Ra become heavy letter. Ra. Aba. Sqa. Ra. And this is Hapesh Mim, home. Ab Sara home. This is a Waqf Mutlaq here. Okay, this is a Waqf Mutlaq here and you will stop there. It is better to stop. So now read after me. Yakadul barqu yakhtafu absarahum. Okay, better try to read.
Yakadul barqu yakhtafu absarahum.
Okay, absarahum.
Absarahum.
MashaAllah, very good, very good. Okay, now I am going to read the same verse, okay? Listen, be carefully, listen. Yakadul barqu yakhtafu absarahum. Absarahum.
Absarahum.
Listen, this is a heavy letter. It is also heavy letter. And Ta is heavy letter. Sad is heavy letter. Okay. And Ra is also due to Zabar. Okay. Or Ra. Okay. Barqu. Yakh. Ta. Sa. Okay. Ra. These are all heavy letters and you will read boldly, heavily, strongly, hardly and pur. So you will read Yakadul barqu yakhtafu absarahum. MashaAllah. Today you learned this verse. Yakadul barqu yakhtafu absarahum. Is it clear?
Here.
Okay, mashallah. My dear respected students and viewers, subscribers, if you will like this video, please share this video as much as you can, and please share it on different social medias, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp and Facebook. So thank you very much for watching this video. May Allah keep you always happy and succeed you in Deenu Dunya and Akhirah. May Allah far away from all the hurdles and standing forces and their strategies and plannings. Afsa Nazneen, see you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.